Over the past few weeks, we've been preparing our Mercedes 190e EVO 2 widebody and our Porsche 911 Slantnose for a 1,000-mile road trip from Vancouver, British Columbia to Calgary, Alberta to attend a car show. On the last episode, we completed all of the modifications to both cars, loaded the EVO onto our trailer, and then we set off on the road trip to the driven show in Calgary, and the road trip went smoothly with no issues whatsoever.
How's it going?
Rough, really rough. Okay, the original intent was to leave because Mark asked us to come and try to be here for 6 last night.
Okay.
So we were going to leave at 4. Then we had some tuning issues. We ended up leaving at 4 p.m. And then there's a road closure. We lost the rad cap on the Porsche, so we lost a bunch of coolant on the freeway, so we had to stop, pull off. So that, we lost a bunch of time there. So I think we got here, I got to my room at 5:45. I slept for 45 minutes. I'm tired, man.
Wow, yeah, you need that energy drink.
Yes, showered and then came here and moved cars in. So we're on like 45 minutes of sleep.
Oh my gosh.
So best laid plans. Like we had dinner rezos last night.
Oh,
we thought everyone was just gonna sail in. We're gonna take it easy, rest up. None of it.
Nope, sorry. I didn't have it as rough as you guys did. I think I left at like 5 a.m., got here at like 8.
Yeah,
flew
so
here.
You got to fly here.
It was glorious.
Yeah.
So
Spoiled. One day, I actually said that in the van. I was like, how is it that I'm the owner, I gotta do all this, and I'm still driving the van?
That is so true though. That is so,
One
so
day,
true.
that's gonna be like, when I finally find success is when I get to fly to
and then have everyone else suffer.
I'll send everybody else ahead and then I'll just fly in and be all fresh.
Oh, that's so funny.
We'll get there though.
Sweet. Just want to walk through all the awesome builds here.
But, all the builds.
Yeah, all the builds.
I saw one happening live here. Well, check that one out.
Which one?
I think they built it here today. It's up here. I saw some double side tape though.
Oh my gosh. Supposedly about 1,000. No, it's what, like 700-ish now, but he hasn't tuned it to 1,000 yet. So
we got all the VRP goodies for our M113.
Yeah, what do you think about this one?
It's pretty wild. This is the one. They did it today at the show. They put the fenders
no way,
on,
really?
Put the wheels on.
Yo, that's amazing.
Full build in like
in
20
one day.
Minutes.
Nice.
That's kind of ironic.
What?
Dirt King and he's never seen dirt.
Some of these BMW guys have probably seen the video, so we should be careful where we tread.
Red on red.
Oh, that looks good. I love that color.
It's my jam.
Are you an Infiniti, a G35 guy?
It's got the LS truck motor in it.
Oh, it does have an LS. Oh,
I saw this guy come in this morning.
Nice.
Making all kinds of noise. Making all the right noises.
A Rally RX-7?
Yeah, I saw him too.
Oh,
it's
nice.
funny because that G35 and him rolled in together.
Oh, sick.
It's like completely opposite ends of the spectrum.
That's amazing. I love these hella lights. Gives it the rally look. A Hellcat RX-7. Oh my gosh.
See? This is what I was telling you. Look.
Dude.
That would be fun to drive.
I don't know about fun. Probably very terrifying. Yes.
Terrifying for sure.
Like, look at the size of the meats in the back.
These wheels are off of look like a Pantera. They got Mazda logos on them.
It does actually look like a Pantera. Oh!
This is the Pantera logo. FD with a LS.
Oh, yes. Gosh, I love FDs, man.
I love the styling of FDs.
FDs, they're just, and this, I don't know what body kit this is, but it looks
like
good.
A Panda one.
That is wide.
That looks like an LB wide body kit. Man, this is a big crew, these Ghost Gang guys.
Yeah, it does not look like 1,000 horsepower. I'm guessing like 400?
What does 1,000 Honda horsepowers look like?
True. So far, the most powerful Honda we've seen. Looking,
most powerful looking.
Oh, there it is.
I wonder if he molded it or if it was molded after the fact.
Who?
Nakai, the molded.
Oh.
First one I've seen molded. It looks good though.
Yeah.
So I suspect it was probably molded after the fact.
That looks good, man.
That's an expensive car.
Yep. Nice.
A lot of FDs out here.
Yeah, I know. I'm very surprised with the amount of FDs.
There's not that
my favorite car here.
Oh yeah?
I'm
That's
kidding.
the one?
It's pretty awesome though. That is so. I love the wheels. Like it's like that little stretch. Oh, very JDM.
You would.
The actually works on it too.
It does, kinda.
You're probably like, no.
No. Not about that life.
Who wraps Tesla?
Oh, my favorite. That back fender.
Oh gosh.
Oh man.
What do you think about that one? You don't want to say your opinions
No,
yet
I
next to the
don't.
owner.
2J and a Skyline?
But that's a nice turbo though. That's a big turbo. All-wheel drive. Wow. That's awesome.
Made it to the GTR drivetrain.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, the big Lincoln slab.
I know, I saw that. I'm like, oh.
Those wagons are so
RS6.
sick.
That is such a cool pairing. Oh, that is awesome.
I love these things.
So awesome. RS4. I've always loved
This
this
is like
generation
the
of
perfect
RS4.
size car.
Yeah.
The Z?
Yes.
I can't wait to start seeing them done up.
I thought you're getting one, right?
Apparently, someday. I think. Aren't you supposed to be getting one too?
Yeah, I'm supposed to get one, but I haven't gotten anything from Nissan in like 2 years. The Toyota Corolla, which was interesting, the Toyota Corolla, the new one, GR, just announced like 2 months ago and they're already on the street.
Probably to build the hype and keep the value up. They don't want them to fall back to MSRP right away.
That's true. Oh, and then this corner,
Yeah, the 765 LT.
I just heard the gold exhaust cost like 80 grand.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah, I know. MSO.
That's when you can't figure out what to spend your money on.
I know.
Or you didn't actually make it.
Yeah.
Well, what do you see? What's your favorite car here?
I don't know. Am I biased if I say ours?
I don't think so.
Oh, this thing is amazing. Is this road legal?
It's got plates on it.
Ew, I know. Oh my gosh.
It's got signal lights of some sort.
That's insane.
It's pretty wild. This is probably the only car here that I want to drive.
Yeah, me too. Hood scoop. Oh my gosh. And even the mirrors too. It has cameras for mirrors. That's cool.
I'm not about the yellow, but this thing was red.
So sick. And it's interesting. Do you see like the exhaust? Because I'm like, the exhaust system is
Man,
right
look at those
there.
taillights. There's no way those taillights came from front.
No, that looks like something you find on like an early 2000s.
Honda Civic.
We walked around some more. Then we filmed our live podcast, Modified with Trick Factory Customs. Link in bio if you want to check it out. After which, both our cars won some awards. How does it feel?
Tremendous. Glorious.
And with that, the show was over, so we headed to dinner afterwards, hung out for a bit, went to bed, headed home the next day, and made it back to Vancouver with no issues this time. The Evo still needs a tune before we can do some burnouts and donuts in it, but we'll get that sorted out in a future video. So if you want to see more videos of the Evo and the Slantnose, be sure to like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.